Let's see how to hide or show ribbon in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now the ribbon is this one right here that has a lot of different tabs that you can click on to access the different Microsoft features. Now, if you want to have a cleaner look on your document, or let's say that you want to hide this ribbon right here, you have two options to do that. First is by right clicking anywhere on these tabs right here, and you will see the option to collapse the ribbon. And as you can see, the ribbon is now gone. Now to return it, you can simply click on any of these tabs again. Now to make it even easier for yourself that you don't have to go over and click one of these every time you want to hide the ribbon, you can simply click Ctrl plus F1 on your keyboard. And as you can see, our ribbon now hides and shows up again whenever I click Ctrl plus F1. And that is how you can hide or show the ribbon in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.